Hitting 95 from ladder.
And 95, go ahead.
It's reading pull station 1C, all common areas.
Pole station, 1C?
A-firm 1C.
Copy that. We'll block the holes up here. See if we find it. If you want to check out that common area.
You're clear, your driver's going to walk on. We'll have to check the region. Northwest from ladder 95.
Ladder 91, go ahead.
Will you let me know if you receive a secondary alarm from this location?
Yes, received.
Second floor clear, kilometer 3.
Copy.
Third floor clear.
Copy. 3's clear. You're clear. Is that key normal key, or does it look like one of the round ones? Say again, Andrew. You're broken.
I found it. Northwest stairwell. Need a key. Leave it normal.
Ladder 91, that did drop again.
You're clear. I think we've located the pull station that was activated.
Yes, received.
Pole station reset.
Copy.